So like any scientist, it's publish or perish, right? What I'd really love to be able to accomplish in 10 years is to have some sort of new paradigm.
I'd say I got into physics because I was excited about explaining everyday phenomena.
Way back when I was a kid, I wrote down I want to be an astronaut.
In elementary or middle school, I read a book by Asimov. It was a nonfiction book. It was on black holes.
What got me hooked was I had a really good physics professor.
It's really exciting to hope that we'll be able to contribute to the, some global scientific knowledge base. I just love that concept.
So the first paper that I published was very hectic. I didn't know anything about how to do research and stuff.
Sometimes you will assume that people will be interested in this detail and that detail.
You definitely have to be ready for a lot of feedback and making sure that you're just okay with hearing that your paper's not great.
The timetable for turnaround for papers can be quite high. So if you're trying to just get something out the door, either because you have some internal deadline.
Trying to rush publications that aren't quite ready because you hear some other groups are working on similar topics.
Some of the big problems I have found is condense everything in a piece of paper, the work that you have been doing for months or for years.
You take all this information and you have to turn it into some sort of conclusion about the real world.
I would love to see more publicly available information about the publishing process itself.
I think what they perhaps should be playing a bigger role, especially now in the 21st century, is information disseminations. To get the work out there to a wider public is so valuable.
For me, something recently that I think has helped a lot is review articles. Reading an article that's kind of condenses the past 5 to 10 years of research.
You're, in theory, doing research because you want to progress science. And a huge piece of science is collaboration. And if you want to move the whole field forward, something you have to do is share with everybody else.